Welcome to our tutorial on how to pin a note in Gmail on your PC. If you want to keep important notes at the top of your list for easy access, follow these simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Step 2. On the right side of the Gmail interface, locate and click on Keep. This will open Google Keep, where you can manage your notes. Step 3. Find the note that you want to pin and click on the pin icon. This will ensure that the note stays at the top of your list, making it easily visible and accessible. By following these easy steps, you can pin important notes in Gmail and have them conveniently displayed at the top of your list. Whether it's a reminder, an important task, or any other important information, pinning notes in Gmail helps you stay organized and focused. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.